Just a few basic tips when you're making omelets. It applies to any sort of omelet, whether you have eggs, you add ingredients into it. The first thing is to always use a non-stick pan. This will really help. This will make sure that your omelet doesn't stick to the pan, because once it sticks, things get a bit messy.
Yeah.
So the second tip is to use either some oil or some butter, just to wipe the pan down and make sure that the egg doesn't stick to the pan. And for this recipe, I actually use both, because the butter adds a bit more flavor to the omelette itself as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, guys, see you next week. And also, make sure you follow us on Instagram, link down below.